Hello little friends! Welcome to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV. Today we are reading a wonderful story called Dinosaur Farm. Let's begin. Bring! It's hard work being a farmer. You have to wake very early every morning, and you must make sure you have a nice big breakfast before your day begins. You put on your farmer hat and boots, get your tractor, and off you go. Your farm needs you. First things first, your animals will be hungry, so you must serve them their breakfast. Sometimes your animals get very dirty and they will need a good scrub. When the pond gets dirty and full of weeds, you must clean it out. Your animals can make a lot of mess, and you must clean up after them. The plants in your garden need to be watered every day. New life is always beginning on a farm. You must take care of every creature, big or small. Oh no! By now it's getting late, and your animals will be waiting for their dinner. The sun starts to set, and the day is almost over. You can go home knowing that your farm and all your animals are happy and safe. You get washed and ready for bed. But, oh no! Did you remember to close the gate? The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. Don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV for more fun stories like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.